Snap&Read can be used to annotate a PDF. This is particularly useful for assignments issued in Google Classroom. Let's see how this is done. First, we ensure that we're logged into Snap&Read. Make sure Snap&Read is active and ready to use. We'll begin by launching Google Classroom. Click the Google App Launcher located next to your account avatar. When opened, you'll see a list of your Google apps. Scroll, find, and click on Classroom. You will now be in your Google Classroom. Select the class you wish to attend, or select your work assignments for your class. I've selected the work assignments for my class. You will see a listing of assigned work. Select the assignment you wish to work on. Click on the assignment name. You will see the PDF of the assignment. If you click on the PDF, it will take you directly to the document. However, under View Details, you will find any instruction provided by your teacher. Click on View Details. You can use Snap&Read to listen to the assignment details. Click on the PDF under the Your Work box to begin work on your assignment. The PDF is now open. However, it needs to be opened with Snap&Read to allow annotation on the PDF. Note that Snap&Read is entirely usable while accessing the PDF. Click on the Snap&Read icon. Scroll down 4 menu items to Open PDF in Snap&Read. The PDF will open. You can tell you're utilizing Snap&Read when you have the blue button with the pencil on the top left corner. When you click on the blue button, your annotation tools will appear. The pencil will turn to an X, indicating to click back on this button to turn annotation tools off. You have 3 choices for annotation. The icon with the capital T and cursor is your text tool. Notice when you click on the text tool, you can modify the text font, color, size, etc. The icon with the box allows us to highlight specific areas, perfect for a word search, emphasis on a topic, note-taking, etc. Notice you can change the color and opacity. The final icon is our line tool, enabling us to create a line to underline, line match, strike through, etc. Notice you can change the color, width, and opacity. When your assignment is complete and you are ready to turn in your assignment, go to the top right corner of the screen and select the icon of the disk. If you dwell on the icon, it will say Save. Click on Save. It will ask where you wish to save your assignment. Remember, this will save all annotation to the assignment for your teacher to grade. Because the assignment was issued and linked to Google Classroom, it will save to Google Drive. Click on Google Drive. This will save the assignment to Google Drive. Once I have saved the assignment to Google Drive, I return to my assignment. In the Your Work box, you will see a button labeled Turn In. Click on the Turn In button. Google Classroom will launch a small window to confirm that you want to turn in the PDF assignment that you annotated. In the bottom right corner of the window, click on Turn In to have the assignment turned in to your teacher. You can now continue to another assignment or move to another class. For more videos, printables, and to facilitate additional training opportunities, visit our Learning Academy and view our support page at donjohnston.com.